everyone. Today I'm going to make a washout booth. I've had this behind my shed for a while. As you can see, the jasmines have grown up on them. I just drug it from behind the shed. It's been there for the longest and I honestly forgot about it. So I'm going to cut this up and try to make a washout booth out of it. Stay tuned. I got a little bit of a cold, but I'm not going to let it stop me today. First thing we're going to do is take off these T30 bolts right here using a T30 Torx bit. We're going to take these off. Once we get these off, it's going to allow the tote to lift out of here. So I'm going to do that, pull the tote out, and I'll show you what to do next. After you get all these bolts out, there's only 4, these rods become loose. But it's attached at the tote right here. So what I'm going to do is just cut these off. I mean, you see how easy it is. I'm going to just cut about 2 inches off of it so the pipe can slide right out. Pop that loose, and all you gotta do is pull this up, and it comes right out. Do the same with the other one, and we'll pull the tote out. Okay, now that we got the tote out, what I'm going to do, cut this section here out, right there in the center. I'm going to flip the top around so the bottom of the tote can sit in it. Hey, there's a little lizard. Hey, little guy. So yeah, I'll flip it around, and I'll weld the top part to the bottom part, if that makes any sense, to be kind of flipped backwards. That will sit on the ground, and that will be facing up. You'll see when it's done. Stay tuned. Thank you. I got the bad sucker cut in half. So let me show you what I was planning on doing. Hopefully it works. So that side is going to be down. And this side will be placed on top of that to actually bring the tank up to my height, so I don't have to be bent over trying to pressure wash anything. My tripod broke on me the other day, so I can't really mount it so you can watch, but all I'm going to do is pick this up and set it on top. I'm going to put a few zip ties around the side to hold it steady, and I'm going to attempt to weld that. I don't know if I'll be able to weld it or not. If I can't, I'm going to get some hose clamps and just clamp them all around, and that should be plenty sturdy. Alright, so right now I decided just to use the zip ties. I got them all around, and like I said, plenty secure. It's not going nowhere. And the reason I did that, like I said, later on I do want to put some woodwork in here, maybe some shelving or something, and instead of having cut welds loose, I just pop some zip ties so I can work on it. But yeah, now I'm going to set this tote back on here. I'm going to cut this section here out. I'm going to face the drain nozzle out the front. And I'm going to run some PVC piping out into where I want to drain the wash booth out. So I got the tote on there. Like I said, this is where I got the drain nozzle up. So when I'm pressure washing, I can run my PVC out here and go where I want to drain it to, so I won't be getting soaking wet. I'm only going to cut about 1 foot into here. That way I don't got a lot of splashback on me. There we have it. I got to clean it out. It had a chemical in it called caustic, which is basically the opposite of acid. It's on the opposite end of the pH scale. But it ain't too bad for you. Just rinse it out, dilute it down real good. But one thing I do want to do, these little plates came off of it that told you what the chemical was. I think I'm going to brace one and weld it right there and put a light on it so I can have a backlight. And maybe paint the sides black to kind of focus the light through one spot. Just a thought. I probably will. I don't know. But thanks for watching. I hope this helps somebody save some money. If you hadn't already, please subscribe and like, comment, let me know your thoughts. And until next time, thank you.